Hey, in my car, you're gonna get stuck.
Damn it! Ah! You! Pull over! Pull over! What's with the brake check? You're on camera! You're on camera!
When I can't see windshield wipers,
you're on camera! Don't brake check me, prick! Don't brake check me! You're on camera!
Good.
Escalating into something that was never intended is one of those things that, you know, keeps me up at night. And then I guess for a third, I'd say the real sleeper that nobody thinks about day to day, but we could wake up tomorrow in a crisis, India, Pakistan. They have had 3 wars since the creation of the 2 states. They both...
Ocala Avenue. How does it work logistically, you know, in episodes that you're either co-directing or directing while also acting?
Oh, come on,
what is
damn
that
it.
like, and how is it to move in some ways oppositional spaces?
Yes, so I like to
Nipples of all.
No, stop it. Stop talking.
Actually, closer to nipples, actually.
That's it. Give him a nice whack. Go ahead, Mel. Light him up. Yeah, light him up.
Show a nipple, Mel.
Tell him to...
It's Matthew.
Underwear.
His undies are undies on the list.
That is correct.
Yes, it is.
Matthew has a point.
Shoes, hat, socks, pajamas, and underwear. Pajamas still fit. Usually they have an elastic band. No, you don't think so?
I don't know.
All right.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
We'll stay with Matthew. Top 5 answers on the board. Matthew, give me the most popular answer. Name a law enforcement agency, local or federal, known by its initials.
FBI.
Is the FBI on the list? At number 1, Alex.
CIA.
Is the CIA on the list? At number 3, Matthew, a law enforcement agency, local or federal, known by its initials.
ICE.
ICE, which stands for...
Hers is the ring finger.
Okay.
On her
mine's
left hand, it looks like. But she's...
Alex just had me pose for a photo.
Yes, so
It's on
people
our
can go
Facebook
to the
page
Facebook page
and see how my finger is in traction.
And the soft cast, which is really not
It
a
is a
soft
soft
cast.
cast. Very soft,
It's
and it is casted around my pinky to keep it from moving.
You can call it what you want.
I call it
But
what
you
I
talked about, and I totally get this, because I said, why aren't you going to the doctor? You said, well, because I'm doing what the doctor can do, like sometimes with fingers and toes in particular, there is, you can do what you can do, and there's not much they
It's
can
like
do.
broken ribs. What can they do with broken ribs?
But how long are you going to wait if it continues to hurt and continues getting caught on things before you go to the doctor? Because remember, the boot that you had to wear, you waited 6 weeks at least before going.
Well, keep it.
At one point, Gower stated to an officer that he had a grenade in his backside and he wanted to pass gas.
Had a grenade in his backside. Now, was he speaking like, you know, calling his...
Jesus Christ. So now you're blocking this guy, so make the turn.
Can't call and move
That's a 2-lane turn. The you, dude, that's a 2-lane turn. Really? 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 You're such a hey, stick, that's a 2-lane turn. You turn in the wrong lane. Oh, I'd love to see it. I'd love to see it. Get on the road. Get on the road. Go on. Yourself. Go f yourself. Go f yourself. Nice job, buddy. You're a brilliant example of what's wrong with society. Keep going. Come on. Goodness. Oh, I didn't, but you did, don't?